come down here at the next point of call. Got it on ramps, which is way easier to work underneath. But yeah, we're going to put the Decat pipe on, see how that works out. Fun times. That's the turbo end of the turbo where the exhaust goes. The exhaust's got three bolts for the exhaust and 2 exhaust hangers down there that I've already pre-stuffed to try and make sure they're nice and loose, because exhaust hangers are always notorious for not being able to be undone. That cracked off. That's that cracked off. That's easier than I thought. Just gotta get the ratchet. Can undo them ones up by the turbo, slide it forward, get it out of here, and slide it back in and out. So got all 3 of them loose. One was a bit of a pain. I thought it was going to be a bit more of a pain, really. I'm just going to loosen them all and see where we're at with moving it. But there's one there, and there's one above it, and then there's one right. Can't really see. My hands up here, and it goes right round the back. But they're all loose enough now to unscrew. Something else that I did forget about. I can't move this forward until this bracket, because it's in the hanger, so this needs to come off. See how these come off, because these look a bit more rusty. So these come out the top of the hanger rather than bolting into the bottom, just to make everything a little bit more difficult. Just about do it with my fingers. And there we go. We've got movement. Live that. Oh, there's that. See what's going on up there. Oh. And there's that. That was a pretty simple job, actually. So that's the old one. This is the new one. Oh, my new one seems to be missing something off here. Don't know what that's for. But I guess we'll just put it on anyway, see whether it works. But it's a pretty good match. Now comes the lame part, rejiggering it back in. Don't forget to put the exhaust hanger on. Oh no, it comes apart anyway, but I suppose it's easier just to not undo it. Don't know whether you can see. I'm going to do it up till the front bit's in. But it fits. Definitely fits. Trap. So the bolts are all in on the exhaust. It's all good. Unfortunately, the person who's welded these hangers on is obviously not the it's partially sighted or something, because as you can see, the hanger is way away from its hole. So I've got to try and bend this, see if I can get it to fit. If not, I don't even need a hanger. Right, it's on there. I'm gonna just see what it sounds like, I guess. Still haven't got the hanger on. I need someone to help me push it while I bolt it, but see what it sounds like.
Flat out. Oh yeah. Safety chock. Right, go forward a little bit. Went backwards, look. That make go faster? That?
Yeah, that's a go faster can. Gives you wings.
Faster, faster.